A warm welcome to everyone. Here we deals with the introductory part of research. I think basically we all do research in our everyday life in an informal way. When you go to buy a camera or you go to buy a memory card for your phone, we do some background research to know about what we are purchasing or what we are interested in. All those things we will search. Otherwise, if we have a curiosity to know about something, we will search everything related to it. Actually, that is research. But these are informal research. However, when we do formal research, it has a scientific and more systematic structure of investigation. First of all, we can go through the contents of the session. Here we can learn meaning, definition, characteristics of research. Then what do you mean by social research, social work research, and what are the difference between social research and social work research? All those things we can deal in this section. What is research? People want to find out something in a systematic way and thereby increasing their knowledge. That is research. Sometimes it may be an answer to a question or solution to a problem or study a natural phenomena, whatever it may be, to search for facts. That is research. We know research has some step-by-step process. It comprises defining, redefining problems, formulating hypotheses, suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, at last finally testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit for the formulated hypothesis. The word research is derived from the French word rechercher, which means to search. Search implies through investigation, that is research. But that research is not a mere compilation, but a purposeful investigation. Research is a particular method for discovering new facts or new knowledge. In research, we can collect facts through two methods. First one is arbitrary method. Arbitrary method is also known as unscientific method. Arbitrary method is subjective. Subjective means the research findings will vary from one person to another person because it depends on a person's opinion, blind belief, imagination. All those things are different from one person to another person. So the result become weak and inaccurate. So we can't believe the final result of the research in arbitrary method. Next one is scientific method. Scientific method is a systematic rational approach. It eliminates all drawbacks of arbitrary method. Scientific method is objective. Objective means its final result are precise and clear. We can arrive at conclusions on the basis of verifiable evidence. Therefore, search for facts should be made by scientific method rather than arbitrary method. So, we get the verifiable and accurate facts. This is one of the popular definition of research. According to Kerlinger, research as a systematic, controlled, empirical and critical investigation of hypothetical propositions about the presumed relations among natural phenomena. This definition contains a basic terms necessary in defining the method of scientific research. Research as a systematic. Systematic means step-by-step procedure of investigation. And the research variables should be controlled. Otherwise, we will never get accurate result. Next, empirical. Empirical means research findings should be based on observable evidence. And through the critical investigation, we can arrive at careful and analytical evaluations of hypothetical propositions of natural phenomena. Next, we can go through the characteristics of research. First one is systematic process. We already told that research is a systematic process. It consists of systematic step-by-step procedure. Next is directed towards solution of a problem. Research is directed towards finding answer to pertinent questions and solution to problems. Third one is logical. Logical means research is based on valid procedure and principles. If you can validate something, it must be logical. Next characteristic is highly purposeful. Research is not a mere compilation but a purposive investigation. It aims at describing, interpreting and explaining a phenomenon. Next is discover new knowledge. Research helps to develop generalization, principles and theories and also correct previous errors. Next, empirical. Empirical means the research findings should be based on direct observation or observable evidence. The last characteristic is generalization. Generalization means research findings must be utilized for providing general application of large group of people. If anyone finds out the vaccine for coronavirus, it must be utilized for general application of all people in the world. What is social research? Social research mainly conducted by social scientists and researchers. People think and act in different way in various parts of the world. Their behavior is also different. Social research aims to study the behavior of the people in various places so that they can design products and services for the various needs of the people. Next, we can go through the definition of social research. According to Moser, social research as a systematic investigation to gain knowledge about social phenomena and problems. We all know research is a systematic process. Here, social research aims to study social behavior of the people, social phenomena, and social problems of the society. Next, we can study the characteristics of social research. Social research helps to know about the social life and social phenomena. Then it can provide new facts about social life and all the facts can be verified. Then social research helps to formulate laws related to social life. Then social research investigates the interrelationship among different social facts of various socio-economic groups. Next, social research provides knowledge about the control of social phenomena. Next is social work research. What do you mean by social work research? We all know the main aim of social work is to solve problems of our client. Here, social work research is also begins with the practical problems. Social work research is the application of social work methods as an intervention to solve problems of our client in the practice of social work field. Here, the researcher make an intervention to solve the problems of our client. But before that intervention, researcher conduct a pre-test to know about the intensity of the problem. And after the intervention, researcher make an assessment to know about the influence of intervention and the solutions of the problem. Next, we can go through the definition of social work research. Social work research is also a systematic and critical investigation of a problem. Here, Friedlander says that the purpose of social work research is to provide answer to the problems of social work and extending, generalizing social work knowledge and concepts. Next is characteristics of research. First one is applied research. In social work practice, researcher can apply intervention to solve problems of the client. The client may be an individual or group or community, whatever it may be. Then it can analyze the intensity of the problem through proper assessment. Then it can explore and enlarge the technique of diagnostic and treatment plans used in social work practice. Next, social work research helps to solve problems and enhance human functioning through arrived facts and explanations. Then social work research can produce useful knowledge, but it may change over time because one investigation may build on others. So that investigation may incorporate the findings of earlier ones. What is the difference between social research and social work research? Social research deals with the social life of the people. The main objective of social research is to accumulate the knowledge of social life of human being. It has no specific goal. It is basic as well as applied research. But social work research is applied and begins with practical problems. It has clear-cut objectives and goals to produce knowledge that can be useful for planning social work programs. Then social research and social work research helps to the social worker to understand the human behavior and to deal with the client's problems respectively. Okay, thank you. Thanks for hearing me.